Adrenal fatigue is a condition that arises from prolonged stress, leading to overworked adrenal glands. These glands are responsible for producing cortisol, a hormone crucial for managing stress and regulating various bodily functions. When stress becomes chronic, the adrenal glands can struggle to keep up with the demand for cortisol. This can lead to a collection of symptoms known as adrenal fatigue. HPA axis dysregulation is closely related to adrenal fatigue. The HPA axis is a complex system involving the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and adrenal glands. It plays a vital role in the body's stress response. Chronic stress can disrupt this intricate system, causing imbalances in cortisol production. Insomnia, a common symptom of adrenal fatigue and HPA axis dysregulation, often goes hand in hand with these conditions. Cortisol imbalances can disrupt the normal sleep-wake cycle, making it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Addressing adrenal health is essential for improving sleep quality. The symptoms of adrenal fatigue can be wide-ranging, affecting various aspects of well-being. Individuals may experience fatigue, low energy levels, difficulty concentrating, sleep disturbances, sugar cravings, and mood swings. Understanding the connection between adrenal fatigue, HPA axis dysregulation, and insomnia is crucial for finding effective solutions. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, essential for countless bodily functions. They play a critical role in producing neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals throughout the nervous system. When it comes to adrenal health, certain amino acids stand out as particularly beneficial. One crucial amino acid is tyrosine, a precursor to dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine, neurotransmitters that play a vital role in the stress response. Tyrosine supports the production of these neurotransmitters, helping the body better cope with stress. Another important amino acid is phenylalanine, which the body converts into tyrosine. Phenylalanine can support healthy mood and focus, which are often affected by adrenal fatigue. By ensuring an adequate intake of these amino acids, individuals can support their adrenal glands and promote a healthy stress response. This, in turn, can help alleviate symptoms of adrenal fatigue and improve overall well-being. Beyond tyrosine and phenylalanine, several other amino acids contribute to adrenal health and sleep quality. Tryptophan, for example, is an essential amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of well-being and relaxation, while melatonin regulates sleep-wake cycles. Another important amino acid for sleep is GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid. GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. By increasing GABA levels in the brain, individuals may experience improved sleep quality and reduced stress levels. Taurine, an amino acid found in high concentrations in the brain, acts as a neurotransmitter and neuromodulator. It plays a role in regulating stress responses, protecting cells from oxidative stress, and supporting healthy sleep patterns. Section 4. Optimizing amino acid intake for adrenal fatigue and insomnia. Incorporating amino acids into the diet is crucial for supporting adrenal health and improving sleep. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein-rich foods can provide a natural source of these essential nutrients. Foods high in tyrosine include lean meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Phenylalanine can be found in similar foods, as well as eggs, soybeans, and some cheeses. Tryptophan-rich foods include turkey, chicken, salmon, tuna, eggs, dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Also 5-hydroxytryptophan, 5-HTP, and phosphatidylserine play an important role in HPA axis regulation. To ensure adequate intake of all essential amino acids, some individuals may benefit from incorporating amino acid supplements into their routines. Supplements can provide a convenient and targeted way to address specific deficiencies. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Section 5. Lifestyle modifications to complement amino acid therapy. While amino acids play a vital role in managing adrenal fatigue and insomnia, it's essential to address other lifestyle factors that may contribute to these conditions. Chronic stress is a major culprit, so implementing stress management techniques is crucial. Regular exercise can help regulate cortisol levels, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Prioritizing sleep hygiene is equally important. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure a dark, quiet, and cool sleep environment. Limit screen time before bed, as blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production. Section 6. Seeking professional guidance for personalized care. Adrenal fatigue and HPA axis dysregulation are complex conditions that require a personalized approach to treatment. Consulting with a qualified healthcare professional experienced in adrenal health is crucial for accurate diagnosis and personalized guidance. A healthcare professional can assess individual needs, identify any underlying medical conditions, and recommend appropriate interventions, including dietary modifications, lifestyle changes, and supplementation. They can also monitor progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, self-treating can be risky and may not address the root cause of the problem. Seeking professional help ensures that individuals receive safe and effective care tailored to their specific needs. If you liked the video, please share, comment, and subscribe.